Oh shoot, that's huge.
Hey y'all, this is Southern Woods here. Today we are in Colorado doing a little ice fishing for our first time ever. Me, Sully, and Ant are gonna tackle twin lakes and hopefully catch some fish. Join the adventure.
Test out the ice. You want to? At least test out the ice.
All right, we're gonna walk around, kind of scope out the area first before we really settle down and start fishing. Man, look at the view. First time out in Colorado, first time fishing out in Colorado. You excited, Ant?
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah, let's see if we can catch some ice fish, bruh. I think we're good.
There, one of those rocks along the shoreline, I left the safety floating device. I found it on the shore.
Earlier, it made a horrible noise like it was gonna break, and we all just went,
Alright, let's keep going. Fuck. Probably not more than 2 feet. You probably have to go out to the road right there.
First line in the ice. Just trying it out, decide whether or not we're gonna go further out or not. Bro, get the squirrel hat, bro.
Is that on me?
Yeah. Alright y'all, so we didn't catch anything at this first spot. We're gonna move where water's flowing a little bit more down by the spillway. See if we have any luck. Any words, boys?
We'll catch something eventually, bro. We out here long enough.
I know we will.
Yeah, we will. We got to. We're headed to the next spot over where there's some uniced water.
I think I left my phone.
No, Sully.
Oh, no, I didn't. It's right here.
Hey. So we're hiking down the hill, down over there in the distance. Maybe try to fish the spillway. We got some lures, worms, dead shad.
What it is.
Interesting government building by the lake. Probably some sort of dam or water resource center. Still a little fresh, got a little meat on them legs.
Oh yeah, fun.
I can kill it. Black bear, maybe?
Mountain lion. It's a long ass walk, Ant. I hope it's worth it.
I thought you said you want to go to the river.
I kind of said, I was kind of thinking. I'm gonna need a lot more sinking.
Yeah, it's super clear. I bet those things can see anything you throw at them. Update, ain't caught shit. Probably gonna pack it up here soon. I don't think there's fish in these Twin Lakes.
There's a fish right
Yeah, the fish went south for the winter.
Use the drag up a little bit.
No, that's fine. Not too bad.
Oh shoot, that's huge. Just get it onto shore. Holy, bruh. Oh my gosh, you need to get that in. Here, Saul, can you?
Holy fuck. That's a fucking monster, my boy.
Oh, that's crazy.